Hey, Lisa. I've been thinking about taking the PEBC evaluation exam. Have you gone through the process yet?
Yes, I recently took it. It's a comprehensive exam, but the good news is, the resources are pretty accessible. First things first, you need to book your exam.
Right, that's the first step. How did you go about it?
Head over to the PEBC website. They've got a section for exams, and you can find details about the evaluation exam there. Once you're ready, you can create an online account, and from there, you'll be able to book your exam slot.
Got it. What about study materials? Any recommendations?
Absolutely. The PEBC provides a syllabus outlining the topics covered in the exam. You can download it from their website. It's like a roadmap for your study plan.
That sounds helpful. But did you use any additional study materials?
Definitely. I got the Compendium of Pharmaceuticals and Specialties (CPS) because it's a go-to reference for drug information. Also, the PEBC offers past exams for purchase, which I found invaluable for practice.
Past exams sound like a great idea for practice. Did you use any review courses or online resources?
I did. There are several online platforms that offer review courses specifically tailored for the PEBC exams. I signed up for one that covered the key areas comprehensively.
Nice. I'll look into those resources. How did you structure your study plan?
I gave myself a few months to prepare, focusing on different sections each week. I made sure to review the syllabus thoroughly, and whenever I felt stuck, I revisited the past exams to identify weak areas.
Smart approach. It sounds like a thorough preparation. Did you find any surprises on the exam?
Not really. The key is to be well prepared, especially with the drug information. The questions are practical and often relate to real-world scenarios. Time management during the exam is crucial too.
Thanks for the tips, Lisa. I appreciate it. I'll start working on my study plan and book the exam soon.
You got it. Best of luck with your preparation. If you have any more questions along the way, feel free to reach out.
Will do. Thanks again, Lisa.